Hey, this is Mike and Susan's Adventures, and right now we're here at home in Virginia Beach, and we are actually on our way to a meetup with You, Me, and RV with Phil and Stacy. It's being done here at one of our local breweries. So, haven't been to this one. New Realm. Looking pretty busy.
I did my last tour. How far back?
Hey, so this is Mike with Mike and Susan's Adventures. How you doing today? So a couple weeks ago, got to go out and we got to meet Phil and Stacy with You, Me, and RV here in Virginia Beach at their meetup. It was a good time. It really was. Got to meet a lot of great people, and got to talk to Phil for a little while, along with a few other people. And it was a great time. It really was. And I can honestly say that they are who they seem to be on the videos. They're just down to earth, good people, and I really enjoyed it. So. I'd like to say thank you to them and everybody else that came out. This was their event. Hope to see you out there. Bye-bye.